Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use fillet and chamfer commands in AutoCAD. Fillet allows you to create a rounded corner, while chamfer allows you to create a wedge corner. To issue the command of fillet, just type F, shortcut for fillet. You can select the radius, press R, and then type the radius. Say you want to have a radius or rounded corner of 1 centimeter. Now you can select the edges, 2 edges, 1 and then 2. You see, that is already a rounded corner. If you want to create another one, just press the space bar to execute the most recent command. And then fillet will be executed, and then you'll be using the same radius. 1, select two sides, 1, 2. 2 sides, 1, 2. Space bar again, 1, 2. If you want to change the radius, just type fillet again, F, and then type R to change the radius. Let's say you want to make it, let's say 2 units this time. If you select the first object and the second object, second edge, you see it has a bigger radius this time. The rest, if you want to use the same, 1, 2, fillet again, 1 and 2. I'm using the bigger radius this time. Okay, now chamfer is different. Again, chamfer use a wedge corner. The shortcut for chamfer is CHA. Type cha, and then you need to select the distance. Distance 1, distance 2. Meaning, what is the distance of cutting from this side, and then the distance to distance on this side. So if you type D for distance, the first chamfer distance, say you want it to be 1 unit. Second chamfer distance, another 1 unit. So when you select the first line and the second line, you see there's a wedge corner already. Spacebar again, chamfer, select the first line, second line. So you will see you will be having a wedge corner. You can enlarge the wedge corner by just specifying the different distance for distance 1 and distance 2. Just like what we did a while ago, we can use another distance for chamfer. For distance 1, if you want to change it to, let's say 1.5, and then distance 2 is a different distance, is 2.5, you can create a different chamfer wedge. Select this one and then this one. You see, it has a different distance. If you want to have a same distance here, 1, 2. Okay, that's how you use chamfer. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.